Hello friends and welcome back to the 5K account challenge. This is week 4 and the time is 1:20 p.m. The date is 12th of October 2024. The results of this week are on your screen here. You could see the balance is 5557.55. Last week our balance was, I think, was 5531. Okay, so week 3 we ended with $5,531. Week 4 we ended with extra $26.06. So this week in last 5 days we only made $26. Reason being is because our minus negative balance for open trades has increased. Now you need to go back and watch my week 3 video if you don't remember. So go back to my channel TubeCore, then go to playlist, and then you can follow the series. I have week 1, week 2, week 3 videos uploaded there in the playlist. Okay, you can go and watch it. Because last week I told you already that I am predicting, assuming that this negative balance will increase. So last week the balance was around $450 in negative. And I said in the last video that I'm expecting this balance to increase up to maybe minus $2,000, minus $3,000. Okay. Now here are some questions because this could be a panic attack for some people. All right. If you see a minus balance of minus $1,600 or minus $2,000, you will get a panic attack. Not me, because there are two reasons. First, I have done this before. I have seen this before. I have done this strategy. So I'm fine with it. Second is I can afford to lose this money, but we are not going to lose it. The time will tell, okay? So last week I said that I'm expecting this balance to go into minus 2,000, minus 3,000. Now the question arises that if you knew it, then why did you not take a counter trade? Counter trade means take the trade in the positive direction and, just make some money, okay? So if I wanted, last week my balance was minus 450. I could have taken a counter trade, and that trade would have been positive $1,200 today. But I'm not going to do that. Okay. It's not about manual trading. I am telling you in every week's video, it is not manual trading. It is a strategy in which you touch nothing and you let the software work. And obviously here right now, because the balance, the negative balance, or rather the negative trades are increasing in amount. So the software will not take more trades until this negative balance comes down. So in the coming next few days or for a few weeks, maybe 1-2 weeks, we will not take any new trades until this negative balance comes down. Today, I'm saying this 1649 negative balance could even go up to minus $3,000 in the number of weeks or days to come. That's my prediction. I could be wrong, but most probably I'll be right, okay? So again, I said, if you want to do this, follow this series for maybe next 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. Until you have peace of mind that yes, the balance went to negative and it came down, because that's going to happen, okay? But eventually it's the time. Time is the king, I guess, okay? So we have to wait. I'll give the trades to come back into our favor. And then whatever happens next week, we might not see any trades in this coming week, or maybe we can, I don't know, okay, time will tell. So yes, as long this balance is not coming down, then till then the software will not take more trades, okay? So that's why the balance will not be increasing, but we have not lost this money yet. These trades are still open. It's just that when the graph will come in our favor, we will be fine then, okay? So for some people, they will panic. But as I said, I have tested this strategy, and that is why I'm showing this to you live. And again, you don't have to just watch this video. Go and watch my 3 videos previously if you're watching this randomly, so that you can understand what we are doing here. We are doing a public account series in which you have to follow this maybe for next 1, 2, 3 months to get to know how this works, and then you can decide. If you don't know more details what this method is all about, you can go to my video below. The first link says Make Money Autopilot. Click here and then go and check out all the details. Okay, so next week I'll update you. Either the balance will remain the same, this will increase or decrease, whatever will happen. I will just make a video on next Sunday. Till then, enjoy.